Hello, everybody. We shall discuss an English language teacher, his qualities and qualifications. In this session, let us discuss qualities of an English language teacher. A right type of English teacher will not develop in the minds of the pupils a feeling that learning English is a difficult task. The duties of an English language teacher are more important in the educational field. Molding the personality of the child in the light of language development is very important. So, in this connection, I would like to go on listing the qualities. First qualities, I told you that. Once again, I'll repeat. A right type of English teacher will not develop in the minds of the people a feeling that learning English is a difficult task. Second one, he has to develop an attitude to love his or her work of teaching English and encourage the people to do so. Third point, he should be capable of teaching English well. That is more than simply giving knowledge. It is to develop people to learn. It requires insight, patience, ability to attract attention of the learner. It is painstaking and making the students to gain the experience. The capacity to teach should be cultivated. He or she should know how much to teach, planning a lesson, and using audiovisual aid, adopting various suitable approaches and methods of teaching, revision, questioning, dictation, and dramatization. That's very important. Practicing, providing experience to the people. These are very important. Fourth one, he or she should know the methods of phonological, structural, and vocabulary items in English. He or she should know the use of recording, radio, television, lessons, and use of language laboratory to enhance the skills among the pupil. Fifth one, he should have a combined approach to proficiency, a taste, a desire to grow as the language grows. Next, sixth one, with imaginary ideas, building, and wide reading of books in English, he or she can develop creativity among the learners and creative use of English. That's very important. Seventh one, he should be able to provide a variety of verbal explanations, suitable sounds, sound pattern, and recitation. Recitation means poem recitation, dramatization, etc. Eighth one, he should patiently have the patience, help the children with individual attention to correct and improve their learning of English. Ninth one, he should be a role model and he should be a very well-known, master person in training the pupil. And he should have a well-balanced approaches to cultivate a taste of English among the teacher. I hope you got the information. Thank you.